Okay guys, I just want to quickly show you something. For all I'm not trading today, I still watch the markets and one thing and another because I just love it. I genuinely enjoy it, and that's why I do all of this. Alright. Now, when I'm looking at this, you know, obviously just a quick flash. It's the last 2 trading days because it gets done early morning. Gives an average, and then it tells me the change of strength. All right, and that's kind of how this sheet works. This then gives me an overview of the markets that I'm potentially going to look at, and I'm just really looking at ones that are going to move. All right, that's all I'm looking for. But why have I popped onto the camera? It's because it's pulled out something quite interesting, you know. And if you look here, it's looking at obviously the pound and the CAD and the pound and the Swissy. Why? Because the pound has taken a right punch today, which I suspected it might because of Brexit, which is why I'm not trading. It's unknown. I don't know whether it's going to be positive or negative news, and it's going to throw the market. All right. If I'm unsure and I can't make a decision, I just stay out. All right. And that's the best advice I can give you guys. Because if you're chasing the market and you're trying to get in over and over, you're going to find that you're going to get on the wrong side of a trade. Be absolutely certain of your trade. But there are certain times where the charts throw you, and that's what I want to show you. All right. So the pound Swissy, if I pull the chart up, here we are. Doesn't look out the ordinary, does it? Looks nice. Put it out to an hourly. Lovely drive down. Fantastic. Get a good retracement here. 4 hour. Again, drive down, but wait. There's nothing here to draw any levels with. Then you go on to your daily. Oh, we've got some here. So that's not bad. All right. But as you go out to your monthly, this is where I wanted to show you. Because look, you've got your drive down and it is thumping down. But there's nothing underneath. Nothing at all. And if you scroll this back, 20 years, there's nothing. It's a little bit like the gold trade, but in reverse. So is this going to go further down? Well, it could well be. How far will it go down? Well, you can use the tails. I mean, it's done it before. That was the unpegging event. So let's have a quick look. Drop it onto line, like so. Put in your last turning point, which is here. The other one is above it, which is there. Okay. And then you've kind of got a little bit here, but as I've told you before, I'm looking for peaks. Okay, so the other one is there. All right. But how far is this going to move? You've got nothing to gauge it on. Well, that's where good old Fibonacci comes into play. All right. So we'll just drop that on there so we can see. You can do one of two things. You can either do an extension between these two levels, or you can use the last leg that has the lowest point. All right. So there we are. We're in no man's land because there's nothing under here to work to. So you can't use this leg because you don't know it's complete. This leg is already between two areas, so you can't use this leg either. So it is actually this leg here that you would use and draw your Fibonacci. It's an extension, so you'll take it from that line to that line and back up. And now it gives you probable points. And that's where you would draw your levels. So you've now got a clean level there and a clean level underneath it. Okay. And it's that simple, guys. It really is that simple, because they are logical and a good area for the market to get to. And then as you go down, you can now start putting in your normal levels to suit, just like so. And then you build up your framework the same as you normally would. And you see it's now on a weekly level. All right, but if it got through there, you needed to know where this was going to go. And lo and behold, that level that I've just drawn in, which is this one and this one, marries up to that turning point. So it was accurate. It did work. Okay. And then as you go further down, because we don't go much past the day, in fact I don't go past the day, you now have some areas of interest, and you've got one there. Thanks. See that? Got me coffee, my Star Wars mug. Quite a happy boy. And Santa's coming soon. Can't wait. I really can't. I'll be having my Christmas jumper on and Christmas songs and everything. In fact, I'm not seeing Christmas songs in the Telegram group. I'll have to change that. Can't be not having that. Right, sorry. But that's kind of what I wanted to show you guys. Just how to get these two levels in, so you have some relevance to the market. All right. It's just quick, off the cuff, and I just wanted to show you. All right. So, catch you soon.